at the second session government World Government Summit and Dubai Municipal zvinosenzesa kufamba zvakanaka munongoona kuti ndingori muno tichitaura nevamwe vanobva kure. By the way, I'm talking to my friend to my next door. My friend, where are you coming from? Where are you coming from?
From Oman.
From Yemen?
From Oman.
Oman.
Sultanate Oman.
Sure.
Okay.
You see, I'm sitting with my friend here from Oman. Myself, I'm coming from Zimbabwe. So we are also here for the World Summit for Happiness. Thank you. So everything is happening. Everything is going well. Ndikufara zvikuru neshamwari dzangu dziri kuno. We are not only Zimbabweans. We are as men, as you are seeing. Sorry for that. I don't know.
Which account is one?
I'm recording only. I'm sending it back home to my brother and sisters.
Okay. Now you send them?
Yeah. Now we are sending them right now. Yeah. You see, that's our friends. We are coming, which are also coming to the World Summit, Government Summit. So thank you very much. Farisai vanhu kumusha yakati cheche wagobhu tino urombo nokonzwa kunzima ita accident. Sorry zvikuru tinokusuvirai kuti mupore nokukasika Mwari vave nemi. Thanks.